Hi guys, hope everybody's doing okay and have been doing okay these past few days. I know if you've actually been watching my recordings that it's not quite as exciting as class perhaps usually is, and maybe the structure is not quite there the way some of you guys would like it, but hopefully everything has been fairly simple to follow since I'm pretty much just having you guys work through some pair decks. I want to give you guys a few reminders. First and foremost, just remember that I am grading these pair decks. If you guys haven't checked IC yet, you guys can check those. And so please make sure you guys are doing them. Just want to hold you guys accountable so that we can get through this unit, even though I haven't been there. And then a couple other reminders. So same thing, you guys have the links to the pair decks in your OneNote. And then just as a reminder, on Thursday, we are going to still be taking our summative DBQ. Um, so that means your glossary is due on Thursday. As I've already stated, I will let you guys use your glossary on the DBQ, and that goes for AP and regular history. Just since I haven't been there, I feel that's the least I can do for you guys. And another thing that I decided that I'm going to do, this will look a little bit different for AP and regular history students, but you're going to already get to see the documents on Wednesday so that you can start working through those. And I'm actually going to let you take those documents home with you as well. Um, and then we'll write the actual essay on Thursday. So, that being said, do your best in class today. It's the last day that you're going to be without me in there. I'll be back tomorrow, and I'll be on my computer, so let me know if you guys need anything. Hope it's a good one, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.